So not only today we are talking of the data science here, but a combination of data science and the physics of the materials.
Over the years, we have realized that we have been able to make incremental improvements in our manufacturing operation. I should have a complete visibility of my inbound movement of goods. It is difficult for me to manage 175 suppliers because my Indian market changes very fast. So tomorrow, if there is a seasonality pattern of demand that I am getting, spike, so crest and trough, so spike up and down.
So this is one where a bank in India is processing hundreds of millions of transactions on a daily basis, and the biggest problem they have is generates a lot of false positives, and handling false positives is a bigger challenge than finding where the fraud is or where the money laundering is happening.
Power reliability is a very critical thing, and how do you supply power in a manner which is reliable is key. So there, for the first time, they have started analyzing petabytes of data now.
And that's also a challenge. So you have different protocols, you have different types of data, and then you're looking at different outcomes. It's almost a 3-3-3 metrics.
One of the common thing what we see is when companies tend to transform, they actually look off the current IT operating model as well, because this is of course a change for them.
How can we reimagine the business models using this kind of a value map? We want to work with you in solving some of the deep challenges which you are facing in specific industries.
They kind of really started accelerating what is known as global lighthouse network. I need analytics on top of my ERPs and the data warehouse that I've invested already on. But then can you do a low cost solution for India context when it comes to live face matching? Now if that machine is not a problem, why should I invest money into that machine? If I need to improve by 15% of OLE, I need to look at man, machine, method, material. They've not gone ahead and bought a product from the market. They've built a prototype.
How much of materials are you using? Right. So even if I reduce my material by 0.1% of cadmium, right, it will have a significant impact on my cost. So we are talking of data ingestion at a scale, integration of data from different sources, and what kind of challenges you are facing at different levels.
Today, MLAI has the capability of handling both structured as well as unstructured data, which has enough and more levers to customize basis of what you're really trying to derive out of your architectural pattern.
We think of maturity in 3 different layers. The first is data maturity, which is what you see at the bottom, then your whole technology maturity, and we are here primarily largely because of this piece.
There are programs available in AWS where we actually, as part of a consulting activity, we come out and discover your current IT operating model, understand what kind of tools you are using. We can leverage those kind of programs and we come and consult with you and help you to define your future state as well from an operating model perspective.